This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain why Ireland did not fight in WW2. Pay attention to political choices, security limits, and humanitarian pressures that shaped Irish neutrality. I will outline how historical independence, internal divisions, and resource scarcity pushed leaders toward a cautious path. Expect clear examples of diplomatic balancing, covert cooperation, and public sentiment that together explain a complex national stance during global conflict. Irish politicians remembered recent independence and civil conflict, so they sought to protect sovereignty above all. Neutrality reduced the risk of occupation, kept internal rivals in check, and preserved Irish control over domestic affairs. Leaders balanced moral concerns with pragmatic choices, aiming to shield citizens from bombing, conscription, and wartime shortages while quietly managing foreign pressures and humanitarian needs. If you are finding this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe to support us and get more history explained simply. On another note, a quick recommendation. Those leak-proof containers are great for packed lunches, spill-free commuting, and saving time on meal prep while you study a topic. Check the description for the product link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Resource limits made joining a global war a dangerous gamble for Ireland, which lacked heavy arms, logistics, and industrial depth. Economic ties and trade vulnerabilities heightened the chance of domestic hardship if war disrupted imports and exports. Geopolitical position also mattered. Without allied bases or reinforcements nearby, Dublin judged neutrality the safest way to minimize civilian suffering and preserve critical infrastructure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.